everyone, I am Manisha Rane and welcome to my channel Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make chicken and egg rice. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 6 garlic cloves finely sliced, 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 carrot thinly sliced, 1/4 green capsicum and yellow capsicum thinly sliced, 2 eggs. I have scrambled the eggs with some salt. 200 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. I have fried the chicken in 1 tablespoon of oil with salt and pepper until fully cooked. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. 1 cup of rice. I have already cooked the rice with salt and cooled it down. The rice should be al dente and must be cooled, else the rice breaks while mixing. Salt as required and pepper half teaspoon. Let's start cooking. In a deep pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. We will be cooking on a medium flame. Once the oil is hot, let us add the onions. Saute for about 2 minutes until onion changes color. Add the chopped garlic and fry till the raw garlic smell is gone. Now let's add carrots, green capsicum and yellow capsicum. Mix well. We will close the lid and let the veggies cook well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the veggies are cooked, we will add the cooked chicken. Add soya sauce and mix well. Let's now add the rice. And pepper powder. Now while mixing, we have to do it very lightly. Just lift the rice from the bottom to the top with a mixing spoon. Add the eggs at last. And mix well. But be careful to be light with your hands and not to the rice. You can check the salt and add salt if required. Serve the chicken and egg rice hot. You can also pack this for your kids' lunchbox. For the detailed recipe, visit my blog. Link is in the description box. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Share the video with family and friends. Thank you for watching.